What is up, guys? Today, we found this box here.
Yeah.
So, we don't know what's inside of it, but there's like something right there. But, we're gonna open it, and, yeah. Ah! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Anyway, so right now, this is a dead body. The one that the grass was there. Wait, is this even real grass? I mean, like, let's just pull it out. Yeah, you pull it out. I don't know if it's like... Oh my god, it's real grass!
Oh my god.
It's real grass! There's...
Oh my god.
Wait, let me see this. Okay, so apparently right now, like, so I guess there's seeds in here. I guess so it's a dead... so it's a dead bird or something. So this is a dead bird, I guess. That's why there's like
But how will we know if it's a dead bird or not?
because it has seeds in it.
No, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, but I don't know how to grow like that. How'd the grass grow in here?
I know.
Wait, let's take out the body. Should we take out the body or not, guys? Alright, let's take out the body. You take it out, I'm not taking it out. It's disgusting. Is it hard to get? Get it out. Just get it. No, I'll just get it out. Alright, guys, we just opened it and we just saw some weird bug and it's scary, so we're not gonna show you guys because it's too scary. So, yeah, we're just gonna put this back on. So,
Oh my god, now we're gonna leave this video. This was based on a true story. We're not lying. So yeah, bye. Oh, also put us up to Jason 21 and Frank 22.
the power of Christ compels you!